Hello user, welcome to the tutorial of Hotstar. To avail the discount offered on your promo code, please follow the steps given in the video. Log on to us.hotstar.com on your web browser such as Google Chrome or Safari. Click on the Choose Your Plan from the masthead and select the $99.99 yearly option. Click on Start Subscription. Enter your full name, email address and password and click on Sign Up. Enter your card details on the page. Click on Have a promo code link and enter your unique promo code. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the I am over 18 and I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Click on Start Membership. Once you log in, you get access to a vast array of content on the platform. You can click on the menu icon on the top left and select Channels icon to watch the content present on your favorite channel. Additionally, you can also sort your content based on languages and genres, the options to which are present in the menu. To watch sports-related content, click on the Sports tab present on the top of the page. You can also search for any content after clicking on the search icon and then entering the name of the content you want to look for.
I think everyone watching this is going to totally enjoy it. Thank you so much. It's truly been an honor. Thank you.
Hotstar, for who you are.